Well, I may have crossed into Canada, but the border, the checkpoint, another 20 miles ahead. So, oh my goodness, big road. So the COVID test I did in Anchorage, I didn't get the results until 2 days later at 11:30 today. I was waiting for those results before I tried driving. Just can't get across the border until I have those results. But I finally got the results, and in 2 hours after getting the results, I should be crossing the border. Because of the late start, it looks like I won't get to Whitehorse until after 8, probably 8:30, 9 o'clock. I might just pull off and stop somewhere else instead of trying to get all the way to Whitehorse. We'll see. I'm also going to lose like an hour because of the time change. So, onward and upward. Long drive today.
Feeling down and low, you ain't got no place to go. You're reaching for that higher ground. No one else seems to be around, yeah. When you're lost, can't find your way, it takes so much just to get through the day. Trust that hope deep inside, yeah.